Hi everyone, so I'm here at EPR today, which is an egg freezing facility, and mainly I would like to talk to young girls of my age in their early 30s about how, if I had known earlier about this particular number called AMH, which is the egg reserve that we have, if I knew earlier if it's that low, I would have gone for egg freezing much before and not waited for this long to try and conceive naturally. The AMH levels, I would urge girls to get their tests done, even if you don't want to conceive anytime in the near future. But get your levels tested, get your hormone levels tested, so that if there is something wrong with it, because of our lifestyle, because of our stress factors, most of us are going through this today. I know a lot of my friends and colleagues are in the same boat. So the only thing I would like to say is, if I had known earlier, along with my lifestyle changes, I would have opted for egg freezing so that I would be at peace of mind, and whenever I'd want to conceive, I would always know that there is something in store, it's kept safely, and I would definitely sleep a good night's sleep there. So yes, please get your AMH levels checked, get your hormones level checked, and yes, if egg freezing is an option that is given to you, please go for it. Thank you.